Good day viewers, once again welcome to this channel in our series Mastering Microsoft Word. Today's video is going to be very quick and simple, and we will talk about the tools we have here, which is the Find tool, the Replace tool and the Select tool. So let's begin. Let's start with the Find tool. You can make use of the Find tool by hitting on the Find we have here, or you use the shortcut key, which is Ctrl F. And the Find tool is used to find a text or other content in your document. You can also use the Find tool to navigate to a page, to a heading in a document. In the document we have here, let's search or let's find for the word internet. Once you click on the Find, or when you use the shortcut key, it is going to display a navigation pane. In the navigation pane, you can use the search bar on the navigation pane to search whatever text you want to search. Let's search for the word internet in our document, and here is the result we have. You can see they have been highlighted. Then the next tool we have is the Replace tool. The Replace tool is used to search and replace text in our document. It also have a shortcut key, which is Ctrl H. Once you click on the shortcut key, it is going to display the tool which you can use to find and then replace the word you inserted in the form we have here. For example, in this document, we want to find the word internet and then replace it with the word net. And here is how I will do it. I will write the word internet in the find input box. Then I will write the word I want to replace the internet with, which is the net, in the input box. Then whenever I click on the replace all, it will replace all the word internet to net in my content or in my document, as you can see. But here in the ending of the document, it does not change the last word of internet in the text. And this is because the internet here begins with an uppercase. I choose the match case option in the Replace tool, and by so doing, it is only going to change the word internet, which has a lowercase. But if I uncheck the option, it will change the remaining text, as you can see. And the last tool is the Selection tool, which is used to select text or other object in a document. And the shortcut key for the Select tool is Ctrl A. It also has other options. And that is all for today. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for more.